na Bwana Yesu, tembea naye, tembea naye, tembea na Bwana Yesu, ukiwa usiku ukawa mchana, tembea na Bwana Yesu.
He's being blessed, if you wish, anointed to be the superior of the elders. He's one of the elders, but the superior who we can get advice to, and who will give us guidance. Those who read the Bible understand the anointment of somebody and what it means. I, as one of the hosts, we are expecting no less than 1,000 elders from across the Mount Kenya region. We are getting representatives from the Jurinjeke, Kiamakia Ngome, Nyingi, from Embu. We are expecting all the elders from across the region, and not from the counties, but from the sub-counties. So it's a huge, huge group. And by elders, we mean those who have done what is required to be an elder. Umetoa zile mbuzi zinatakikana.